Okay, I got to make notes so I don't forget what I wanted to say. First of all, thank you. It's an honor to be able to come and see the expression tonight. And students, would you guys stand up really quick? All the students stand up. Let's give them one more hand. Being here tonight, witnessing this, it's really a gift to be able to see what these students have learned, but also, it's hard enough to come up here and talk when you know what you're going to say. And yet, Jack came up here and struggled, right? There was such a struggle. And what I appreciate is that Jack didn't get let off the hook. And though what we all probably understand in this room, what Jack was feeling, we felt uncomfortable, right? We felt stressed and concerned for him. Imagine what he felt. But the perseverance that he had, that he worked through that, was amazing. And I think what a good example of what struggling through learning is about. And you mentioned earlier self-talk and self-doubt. I am working on my doctorate degree, and I'm at the phase where all of my classwork is done, and I was writing only a 2-page portion, and it took me 6.5 hours. And I thought in my head, I am not smart enough to do this. And that's 2 pages of probably 150 or more that will come. So students, the struggle happens even when you're 40. You never stop learning, but you also don't stop struggling. So I want you to remember that the struggle is normal, but it's good. It doesn't feel good. It's not always the most comfortable thing that you have to do, but it is good for you to step outside your comfort zone and to learn and push through that struggle. I want to make one point that I think is really important. If you would, parents too, raise your hand if you weren't perfect. One parent is perfect.
I thought it would be perfect.
No. So nobody, right? And that's okay. Not one person, not one student that came up tonight was perfect, but they all were excellent. Excellence does not equal perfection. Students, say that after me. Excellence does not equal perfection.
Excellence does not equal perfection.
Remember that. You do not have to be perfect to excel. You have to be who you are. You struggle through the hard parts, but with your parents and your support system, you're going to be successful. So, students, it's your turn to applaud your parents. So give them a hand. Learning and support goes both ways, right? And so it takes dedicated parents and family and support systems and peers to help you learn and work through the struggle. And so remember, if this 40-year-old guy struggles with a 2-page assignment, you're going to struggle, and you've got many years to do that. Accept it. Don't strive for perfection. Strive for excellence. Thank you for letting me come back. Can I come back next year? Okay, good. Thank you very much. It was wonderful. Students, you did a fantastic job. I'm so proud.
Thank you, Garrett, for those wisdom nuggets. Excellence is what we need to go after. Perfection will automatically happen when it needs to happen. Great. So